Right now is a good time to be a machinist. My name is Bill Webb, and I'm in the machine tool program. I was only halfway through the program, and I was already seeing multiple job opportunities. The professor has over 40 years of experience. You start out learning the basics: math, blueprint reading, how to measure and use hand tools. Then you move on to manual machines, and next you learn how to program. You'll be writing your own and running them on the CNC machines. You will be able to make parts to within thousandths of an inch or sometimes less. Parts that could be used in the aerospace industry, medical fields, or even everyday household items. The cost of tuition is very affordable. Here you don't have to buy your own tools to complete the program. Machining has been an empowering skill to learn. I was fortunate enough to get a job that accommodated my school schedule, paid me well, and was in an industry that I was excited to be a part of. For me, machining was the quickest pathway to a quality career.